India, being the country with second largest population after China, is constituting about 16.7% of world's population. It is the second largest English-speaking country in the world after USA, but still working hard to achieve the indicators of a developed nation in the world. It is still struggling to address the issues like low literacy level, gender discrimination, poverty, digital and technology divide, and so on. Though government has made a huge public expenditure on promoting education for all, opening ventures for developing rural businesses, strengthening local governance with decentralization of powers at panchayat level, but there is more to do in a much effective and planned manner to reach the unreached, to serve the unserved, to make the underprivileged the privileged ones. This marathon task needs one voice, collective efforts for result-oriented actions from all. Read Global, in its modest way, started working with the underprivileged communities in rural areas of Asia-Pacific countries, concentrating its efforts in addressing education, enterprise and prosperity with community participation, community management and community ownership.
जो सपना देखा था एक तरह से वो साकार हो गया कि समिति की एक अलग से बिल्डिंग बन गई, समिति का एक अलग से पुस्तकालय, और इसमें सारी वही महिलाएं जो सारी गांव स्तर से और जो सारी संगठन के साथ में जुड़ी हुई थी, और वही इसकी हम सभी लोग इसी को चला रहे हैं। क्योंकि और व्यवस्था में होता है कि एक अधिकारी होता है और जैसे लोगों को चलो चलो, तो एक तरह से जो नौकर का और जो मालिक का फर्क होता है वो इस पुस्तकालय में नहीं है।
Read helps fund and build community library and resource centers that give villagers access to books, computers, educational material, job training, health services and workshops on leadership and conflict resolution. With these resources, individuals and families can learn, grow and reach their full potential. Read also works with the community members to seed for-profit enterprises that meet local needs, provide job opportunities, and generate sustaining revenues for the community library and resource centers. With strong emphasis on both education and enterprise, Read brings communities together to share ideas and build relationships that enables families and children to stay and thrive in their own communities. Read India is having such centers in West Bengal, the Oceanic Library, in Manipur, Tubilima Rural Public Library and Resource Center and Tazei Community Library and Resource Center. In Rajasthan, Geejgarh Gyan Kendra in Dausa district and Jan Jagriti Gyan Kendra Baran district, and in Haryana, Hathin block, Mewat. Read always looks for opportunities to work with grassroots communities in the nearby areas to set up a sample community library and resource center to showcase its unique model. The model has been designed to address the needs at the grassroots level, providing communities different kinds of books, developing a common platform for sharing and discussions, creating a space where children can enrich the asset of knowledge and learning, a space meant for empowering the women. Reed model mete out all these aspects by building a physical, long-lasting structure in the form of Community Library and Resource Center. Reed provides seed money to start a small-scale business whose earnings would support the center's maintenance cost. Community decides appropriate name for their library. To inhibit a sense of belongingness, community contributes 15 to 25% of the total project's cost in cash or kind, apart from donating land such as manpower, rice donation, etc. Reed builds the capacity of the community by conducting need-based trainings to make the community capable of managing and operating the center in effective and efficient way. Reed shapes up the center and the community with whom they are working with in a way that after 5 years of its operational association, community can manage the center. This platform is created to address the issues of early childhood preparations, gender discrimination, efforts to reduce the dropout rate, encouraging for higher education, skill building for livelihood options, climate justice, and many others. Reed India's future plans are highly motivated with the task on community development ahead in other states of the country. Reed is looking forward for strong partnerships at the policy level, implementation of the programs to give a practical shape to its mission and vision, and holistic development of the community for better living. Let us join hands to work together, as no one on earth can succeed alone.